A little bit of mist, a little bit of drizzle, kind of a dreary winter day. Did see a bit of sunshine from time to time today, but we had that kind of mist on and off, and even a few light rain showers and even some snow showers in a couple spots across the area. I'll show you the radar in just a second. Here's a view from Abingdon tonight. You notice a couple of those clouds in the sky still. Look at all the lights, though, as we look over the town of Abingdon towards exit 17. Temperatures right now in the upper 30s across Abingdon. A light west-northwesterly wind around 10 miles per hour. You can see a little bit of that rain here on the radar. It's nothing too widespread, but we do have a few scattered areas across parts of northeast Tennessee. And even into southwest Virginia, the radar precipitation type algorithm here is trying to indicate some areas of mixed precipitation or some snow across the higher terrain where temperatures are a little bit cooler. That'll be a potential tonight as we go through the next couple of hours, especially in some of our counties towards the West Virginia border, near the Kentucky border here, Dickinson, Buchanan, Tazewell counties. And I'll even include parts of Smith counties and through the northern Tennessee mountains into this as we see a bit of that moisture move through overnight, kind of hit against those mountains, upslope a little bit on that northwest flow and give us a few snow showers. Shouldn't amount to a whole lot of anything, but something nonetheless to be interested in through the overnight. Now here's Monday. You notice on the map here on Monday, we've kept the clouds around in the morning. Those will stay with us through a good part of Monday until the afternoon when we start to clear out our skies and things get a little bit better for the evening. That also helps us cool down Monday night into Tuesday. But quickly, Monday night into Tuesday here, past around midnight, the clouds start to build in once again across the area. And then we see a weak little disturbance move in that'll give us a chance for a few rain showers or wintry precipitation in the higher terrain as we go into Tuesday. Now this system's kind of moisture starved, but you notice here some of the higher terrain near some of our mountains, Pine Black Mountain, near the Clinch Mountain range here, across parts of Russell County, Tazewell County, into Bland County, and through High Knob area, also into the White Top area there of Washington County, Virginia, and through the Tennessee, North Carolina mountains. We could see a bit of winter precipitation that may amount in a light accumulation as we go into the Tuesday time frame. More on that as we get a little closer and the specifics come a little bit more relevant into our forecast. Temperatures tomorrow getting up into the 40s. We'll look for generally low 40s across much of the area with mostly cloudy skies early, then partly sunny skies into the afternoon. I want to talk about another thing that we're going to see this week, and that's kind of average temperatures. Our average is around 45, and you notice here through the next couple of days, we're pretty much plus or minus a couple of degrees of that, and that is interesting as we head into later in the week. And I say it's interesting because cool air is going to be important after we get past Tuesday's system for what happens as we go into later on the week towards Thursday and Friday. You notice here on the models, we see a system develop along the coast and then give us a chance for some wintry precipitation if the cold air is there and if the system tracks close enough to us. That's still kind of the question mark with this system as we're still several days out. We're kind of in that 4 to 5 day out area where we start watching the trends on the models run per run. About every 6 hours we get new data to kind of see if they're all coming in line and kind of agreeing or disagreeing and seeing what those things are. 3 to 4 days out, we get into tomorrow, start to see our first amounts in terms of like timing, confidence, things like that, and 1 to 2 days out, a little bit more confidence in those things. But as you look towards Thursday, I certainly have a chance for some wintry precipitation across the area on Friday. The pattern looks favorable, still kind of questionable though on the cold air and the track of that low area pressure. Temperatures though otherwise, as I mentioned, pretty standard this week, pretty near average. Overnight lows in the 30s and 20s and partly sunny skies returning as we head into next weekend. Not too bad there. As we look towards tomorrow afternoon, skies eventually clearing out and partly sunny skies developing with highs in the 40s.
Storm Track 5 weather cameras sponsored by your Tri-Cities Ashley Home Store.